Cloud computing has become an integral part of our digital lives, but for many, the concept remains shrouded in mystery. In this beginner's guide, we will demystify cloud computing, explaining what it is, how it works, and its benefits. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand this transformative technology and how it can impact various aspects of our daily lives. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to delivering computing services, such as storage, processing power, and software, over the internet. Instead of relying on local servers or personal devices, cloud computing utilizes remote servers housed in data centers to store and process data. This enables users to access and utilize these resources from anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud computing operates on the principle of virtualization, where the physical infrastructure is abstracted into virtual resources. This abstraction allows for efficient resource allocation and utilization, as multiple users can share the same physical infrastructure while maintaining isolation and security. How does cloud computing work? Cloud computing relies on a network of connected servers that work together to provide various services. When you store data or run applications in the cloud, these tasks are performed on remote servers rather than your local device. This distributed computing model allows for greater scalability, flexibility, and reliability. Cloud computing is typically divided into three main types of services: Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. IaaS provides the basic building blocks, such as virtual machines and storage, allowing users to create and manage their infrastructure. PaaS offers a platform for developers to build and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. SaaS, on the other hand, provides ready-to-use software applications accessible via the internet. Cloud providers implement redundant systems and data replication across multiple data centers to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. This approach minimizes the risk of data loss or service disruption in case of hardware failures or natural disasters. Benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits for individuals, businesses, and organizations. One of the key advantages is its scalability. With cloud services, users can easily scale their resources up or down based on their needs, ensuring efficient resource utilization and cost savings. Whether expanding storage capacity or increasing computing power, scaling in the cloud is a seamless process. Another benefit is the flexibility and accessibility it provides. Cloud computing allows users to access their data and applications from any device with an internet connection, eliminating the need for physical storage or specific hardware requirements. This accessibility is valuable for remote work, collaboration, and seamless integration across multiple platforms. Moreover, cloud computing enhances data security and disaster recovery. By storing data in the cloud, users can benefit from advanced security measures and backup systems implemented by cloud service providers. Data encryption, access controls, and regular backups ensure that data remains protected and accessible even during hardware failures, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. Cloud computing also offers cost savings. Traditional IT infrastructure requires significant upfront hardware, software licenses, and maintenance investments. In contrast, cloud services operate on a pay-as-you-go model, allowing users to only pay for the resources they consume. This cost-effective approach makes cloud computing attractive for startups, small businesses, and individuals. Cloud computing has revolutionized storing, accessing, and utilizing data and applications. Whether it's individuals storing their personal files, businesses deploying applications, or organizations collaborating on projects, cloud computing offers a cost-effective and efficient solution. As technology advances, cloud computing is expected to play an even more significant role in our lives. Understanding the fundamentals of cloud computing is becoming increasingly important for individuals and organizations alike. By grasping the concepts explained in this beginner's guide, you are well on your way to confidently navigating the cloud and harnessing its full potential for your digital needs. In summary, cloud computing is a transformative technology that empowers users to access and utilize computing resources over the internet. By eliminating the need for local infrastructure and offering scalability, flexibility, and enhanced security, cloud computing opens up new possibilities for individuals and businesses. Embracing the cloud can help streamline operations, improve collaboration, and drive innovation in our increasingly digital world. That wraps up today's video. Thank you all for joining us on this adventure. Your support means the world to us. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more content, follow us on social media, links in the description. We value your feedback, so leave your suggestions in the comments. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll keep exploring and having a great time together. Take care and see you soon.